And what is the result? If you use human viewpoint, you become a loser. They're useless to God. Cannot be used by God. They have no truth. So you can see now very clearly, if you are a believer without Bible doctrine, that is your condition. God is going to discipline you because you are a child of God. He cannot just ignore you. He cannot just close his eyes. He has to punish you. He has to discipline you. He has to spank you. Do you know? Do you like that condition? Can you afford to have that miserable condition? You are just a product of your decision because you are hard-headed. You see? You are negative, recalcitrant.